Hello guys, good morning. So our topic for today is how to control the map in the geometry. So here we will create a box. Okay, let us say our box is around 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter. Okay, so here now we want to put a texture here, so we will have to select finish here. So we can select this one, glossy varnished wood. Oh no, concrete, sorry. uh, wait, pwede rin to siguro, pwede na rin siguro to. Okay, and then make sure that your geometry is selected, and then assign material selection. Okay, so now here it is. Now the problem is, how about if you want to make the texture of the wood smaller? How will you be able to control that? To control that, you will have to go to this modify area. Let's see the box. You can see the parameter here for the length, width, and height. But we only want to have a control on the map or the texture. So we will have to go to UVW map. Okay, this is the UVW map modifier. So this is, yeah, the UVW map modifier is on top of the geometry. Okay, now here on the UVW map, you will find mapping parameters. Like for example, this is box. Look at that box. Look at the planar. Okay, look, spherical. Okay, cylindrical. Okay, then face. Okay, XYZ to UVW. Okay, so we will have to select also box. Now, do you notice if I will lower the length of the map, you see it becomes smaller there. Okay, I'll make it also the width 10. Okay, and also make the height 10. See, that's how it will look like. Now I will increase it again to 35. Okay, 35 and 35. See, that's how the way it is to change the map.